counting on and back. Okay, a number adventure. This is a game and work with a partner. Choose a three-digit number. Use the white fruit each. Take your number on this adventure. Our number will be 672. Adding 2000 in it, it will be 2672. And taking away 2, this means subtracting 2 from this will be 2670, and adding 200 in it, which will be 2870, and take away 10 means subtracting 10, and it will be 2860. Okay, check your partner. Did you both do the same final number or not? Okay, here are some computer scores games. Work out the different start score and the new score. Okay, so here's the difference. First, we will write the greater one, and we can see that in the new score, in first column, first row, is greater is the new score. So we will write greater one here, and subtracting 44560 from it. Okay, it will be so we will minus it. Sorry, and here's the answer. So let's start from the 0 out of 0 will be 0, 6 out of 6 will be 0, 6 out of 1 will be 1, sorry, 1, and 4 out of 4 is equal to 0. So we will write our answer here is 100. So next is 2913, and new score is 3113. So we will write greater one above and smaller one below. So here is the greater one and smaller one is 2913. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 out of 3 is equal to 0, and 1 out of 1 is equal to 0, and we can't minus 1 from the 9 from 1. So we will carry here, and so we'll cut the 3 and write 2 here. So we will write 2 here, and wait a second. So let's resume our lecture. Here are we. So we are subtracting 3113 from 2913, and here we wrote 2 because we cut the 3, and we borrow one number. So when we borrow one number from the other number, it will be 11, because 1 was here, because so here was 1, and we can't subtract 9 from the 1, so we borrow one number from 3, and here we left 2, and when we borrow one number from the 3, so it will make 1 11. So 11 out of 9 will be 2, and 2 out of 2 will be 0. So here is our difference of new score and start score. Okay, next one, C exercise. Understanding and using decimal notation. In the decimal notation, the decimal point separates the whole number and from the fraction. What is a decimal number? A point. Decimal point is this point, this small point. The first place after the point is for tenth. Here are the decimal numbers. Okay, what part of the each fraction is shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 part is shaded, and how many left is not shaded? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. So total are the 10 and shaded are 3. So we will write 3 over 3 point. So we will write 3 over 10. 3 divided by 10, and this will equal to 0.3. And here are how many numbers? So we will write here in the fraction 3 by 10, and in decimals it will be 0.3. So let's do this exercise first so you can understand the concept of decimals. So if we wrote 0.1 in the fractions, it will be 1 divided by 10. So in this column we will write 0.2 in the fraction, and here will be 3 by 10, and so on. So how many cubes are parts are shaded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 are left. So in the we will first write shaded, and then we will write the fraction by writing the whole number in the denominator. In the denominator, we write the total number of the box, and in the numerator, we will write shaded portion, and its decimal point will be 0.5. So you can do this for practice. Next is, oh, this will be not difficult for you. Okay, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are totally shaded and 1 is not shaded. So 9 over 10. And here is the decimal number. So next is which decimal fraction is equal to the half? This decimal fraction is equal to the half. 5 divided by 10, that is 0.5. Which write each group of numbers in order from smallest to largest. So first we will convert 1 by 2 into a decimal number, that is 0.5. Sorry, it will be like, I think it will be, let's do it on calculator. So this was correct, and as 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 and 0.3 is already given, and 7th by and the 7 tenths means 7 over 10 and it is equal to 0.7. So here will be from smallest to larger is 0.5 and sorry 0.3 and 0.2 then 0.5 and then 0.7. So this is all we have to do, and this is your homework, and the rest will be doing in the next videos, inshallah. And keep watching my channel, subscribe it, and also share it. Thank you so much.